On this week's boiler tip, I want to talk about roof terminations for our gas train. On a typical gas train, we'll often have a regulator to control the pressure going to the burner, and we may also have a double block and vent. Each of those vents have an important job. The regulator vent is to provide atmospheric reference for the diaphragm. That diaphragm has to move, and if we cap the vent, it can't move. We're not going to get good regulation. If we take it out of the building, if we have a leak in the diaphragm, that gas is going to go to a safe point of discharge. But when that goes up on the roof, we can have issues. If we have a straight termination pointed towards the sky, we can get rain in there. We can get bugs in there. That's an issue, because if we put water in this vent line, it's going to end up on top of that diaphragm. It's going to change our set point, and it's going to cause issues. So at the roof, we want to either 90 over and down that vent or put a mushroom cap on it. A mushroom cap basically will both prevent rain from getting in and insects from building nests in there. If we do a 90 over and down and we don't have a mushroom cap, we probably still want to put some screen and a pipe clamp on there to keep insects out. Because if we block the tube or fill it with water, we're going to have issues. One other aspect that's really important is that vent line also needs to go outside, but they should never be tied together. If that vent line ties to the regulator line and the vent valve fails open, which is their normal mode of failure, if they were to fail, we'll put pressure on that diaphragm and we can have very abnormal combustion. So get them separately to the roof, make sure they're turned over, screened, or mushroom capped. Shouldn't have a problem.